Northwind's plane. Sweet chariot of the gods. But can you fly it, man? There's only one way to find out. No, I still can't read. Then we're going off foot. No. Too much. I'm getting the hang of this, Skipper. Good. We're coming for you, Private.
Ludicrous. Butterballs are letting David escape. Eva, secure transport. Short fuse, Corporal. Hit us and rise.
Davis pulling ahead. We are too heavy. Curse our heavily cheese-dibbled diet. Rico, give me a West Helsinki fire sale. Yes. Everything must go.
What the?
That's everything, sir. Have you purged chemical toilet? Rico was in there for 15 minutes. Just do it.
Barry! 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 She wants to go.
Self-destruct sequence go.